Wonderful. Ja, de nana de it's not sagi bal ostka de not senigi de the Navajo one lesson 9 the hagi adi lesson 9 nahava 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 a question. So what we're gonna do, see right here. The nah is repeated and the nah something is there's the nah be and what is it? Nahava. Never nahava. Never nahava. Ceremonies. Oh, hayu. Oh, hayu together means many, 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 many. Oh, hayu. And look upstairs. New thing. Oi, oi. Oh, hayu. Yui, oi. That's it's called diphthong. There's about 4 of these, and I'm willing to do a video clip on it called diphthongs. Two vowels come together, makes one sound. Yeah, diphthong. The ne, the nahava. Oh, hayu. And the last word, ash, ata, eh, ash, ata, eh. Many different kinds of ones. Okay, and there's a many makes it so you have to put a plural in in the verb, and the verb is adat, eh. The ones that are kind of like different ones that are. And let's go to the next one. The na, the nahava, sha, one, hojonje, hojonje. And they're both high, so it stays high, so it doesn't come back down. So look for high time. Hojonje, woliye, it is called. So remember when we're saying introduce yourself, Mr. Long, Yinishye, uh, woliye comes from that same conjugation. Okay. So anyway, we'll explore that a little bit more later. Never know how one. One is called Huchwanchi. Do, and then that same one, using that same one again. Ye che would ye. Okay. We could have said the never know how shop. Instead of shop, we would have said na kiko. But we say shop. Huchwanchi. Do, we could have put shop right here too. Do ye che would ye. Okay. Okay. So that's what we'll do. And let's see, here's another diphthong. Yeah, you could che, a sound like the letter A. Over here is oi sound, oi. And I don't see another one. The only thing that's a little different here is hochon. This is the emphasis thing that we do. Is X is another way of saying an H sound, but also to emphasize something. So instead of, if we took that out, it would be hochoje, hochoje. But uh, we wanted to put that hochoje, so nasal sound. So it's like a nasal sound. Hochoje. Okay. Hochoje. And then let's say protection way, never nahava shot. One is also called nayeche. What yeah? And let's talk about nayeche a little bit more. Sin is a word for lightning, or in modern terms we use that for lights. You know, the lights that we turn on, electricity. So this is lightning and electricity, same one. Okay. And we have the word sin, and el ish means to, in a sense, strike the wood or tree in a sense, tree. So a long time ago, you had lots of trees, and when the lightning struck, it went right to the highest point, and a lot of the times it's the tree. Okay, so that's probably how it got its name. Nowadays, we have higher than tree things that are higher than trees. So kin buildings get struck by lightning. Okay, so sanikish kin, and what does it do to the kin? Yihilwoko. When it goes into the building, what happens? Nayeje, the ceremony, Nayeje, protection away, Ase al-E. That's the first thing that is done, is to give it a cleansing idea before beauty is brought into. So Nayeje first, and then Bajonja next. Okay? So that's our pre-video knowledge, understanding, thinking about, feeling about. That's what this is. So see you in class.